Hey everybody, so I got an S2000, from the video that I posted a while ago, but recently I've been doing a lot to it, so I actually just recently put the big wing on, I'd say about a month or so ago, and now we have finally gone wide with it. Plus 75 in the rear, plus 45 in the front. Fitment's a little whack right now, but we're gonna get that taken care of. I'm gonna get rid of these wheels and throw on some different ones. I'm looking at some Cosmos or some work, but we also gotta get these flares painted. I'm gonna get them painted to the factory, red color, and then I'm actually gonna be running the seal that I have over here for it, right here. This is a seal, I just got it off Amazon. And I actually didn't do the wide body. A couple good friends of mine down here in Colombia actually did it. So I'm going to be posting some more of the videos along with this video. But I am very, very, very happy with the way this wide body turned out. It came out very beautiful, and the body lines, this car actually had a lot more Bondo than I was expecting on it. This rear quarter right here had probably about a 1/4 inch of actual Bondo, and this fender had someone before me that owned the car actually had a dent right here, and instead of just pulling the dent, they decided, hey, let's just Bondo over the dent. That makes sense, right? But the whole passenger side went on beautifully. And like I said, the fitment right now is a little whack, and we actually had to move the turn signals back right here, because where they normally sit factory, they sit about like right here behind the quarter panel or the fender, where the flare is now covering. So I asked them if they could go ahead and just cut out some new turn signal holes, and it came out beautiful, dude. I do have to extend the wires for them, but that's not an issue. It's like a power on the ground. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with this. It came out beautiful. And once I start running the seal and get them painted, it's gonna come out great. Look at that, freaking wide. It's still not as wide as the wing though. Look at that. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and cut to the chase and let you guys enjoy some of the clips that I filmed while they were put on the wide body. So without further ado, there you go.